The James Webb Space Telescope has done something truly historic. In the vast, dark depths of space, it captured a real image of an alien planet, something scientists once believed was impossible. This planet is not in our solar system. It orbits a distant star far away in another corner of the galaxy. For years, scientists could only guess where these planets were, using light patterns and star movements. Before, we only saw indirect signs of exoplanets, like small dips in brightness or wobbles in a star's position. We imagined these planets using computer models, not actual images. Thanks to Webb's powerful infrared technology, that has now changed. It has shown us a real photograph of a planet that is too far for any spacecraft to ever reach. This discovery is a game changer in astronomy. The planet seen is a gas giant, much bigger than Jupiter, and it orbits a star hundreds of light-years away from Earth. Spotting it was incredibly hard. The bright light of the star it orbits completely outshines the planet's glow. It's like trying to see a tiny firefly next to a spotlight. But Webb is no ordinary telescope. It's the most advanced space observatory ever built, designed to study the deepest parts of the universe using infrared sensors. Webb uses a special method called coronagraphy to block the star's light. This reveals the faint heat coming from the planet itself, a glow that traveled for centuries through space before reaching us. We are now looking at a planet no human has ever seen. It's a gas world with no solid ground, full of swirling storms and fast-moving clouds. Webb's data shows the planet's atmosphere contains water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide. These gases are crucial for learning how planets form and evolve. Even though it's too hot for life, studying it gives us important clues about alien atmospheres and how different planets might change over time. Until now, we could only deeply study planets in our own solar system. We've sent rovers to Mars and orbiters to Venus and Saturn's moons. But planets outside our system, exoplanets, were mostly a mystery. Webb's technology changes that completely. It allows scientists to analyze weather, chemistry, and atmosphere layers on worlds light-years away. By watching how light passes through these distant atmospheres, we can search for signs of life, clues that could only be seen with Webb's sharp vision. This planet, although uninhabitable, proves we can now take real images of alien worlds, not just imagine them. That's a major breakthrough. The ability to separate a planet's light from its star's brightness is revolutionary. It opens up the chance to study rocky planets near other suns, possibly inhabitable zones. That's where liquid water might exist, raising the chances that life could be found somewhere else in the universe. This single image reminds us how vast and diverse space truly is. Some exoplanets orbit two stars like scenes from sci-fi films. Others are stuck in eternal night or endless day. Some planets zoom around their stars in just days, while others drift in cold darkness far from any warmth. What Webb has proven is that these planets are real, not just numbers in a chart. They have clouds, temperatures, and movement, each one a unique world. Webb's infrared eyes can see through dust clouds and gas, revealing the hidden corners of space. We can now peer inside the birthplaces of stars and planets. This gives scientists new ways to understand how solar systems are born, and what makes a planet able, or unable, to support life. At first, the mission was to count how many planets were out there. Now, we want to know what they're made of, how they act, and if any are like Earth. Webb can even detect biosignatures, chemical hints of life, such as oxygen and ozone, which life on Earth produced over billions of years. If we find similar signals on another planet, it could be our first hint of alien life. Webb is precise enough to catch those tiny signals from light years away. The light that formed this image started its journey centuries ago, moving past stars and galaxies, shaped by gravity, before finally hitting Webb's mirror. That light, now turned into a photograph, is a gift from deep time and space. It carries with it the effort of thousands of scientists and the hopes of explorers everywhere. Seeing a real alien world makes us wonder, is Earth unique? Could we have neighbors out there? We still don't know the answer, but this discovery brings us one step closer. That distant world is no longer just a theory, it's a place with clouds, storms, and mysteries. This is only the beginning. NASA and other space agencies are now planning new telescopes that will follow Webb's path. They aim to directly image Earth-sized planets, study their atmospheres, and possibly confirm the existence of life beyond our solar system. Until then, Webb continues scanning the stars, unveiling secrets written in starlight. It's showing us how the universe works, and helping us understand our own origins. Thanks to Webb, the dream of finding another Earth feels more real than ever. We're moving into the unknown, guided by science and curiosity. One thing is certain: the universe still has many wonders waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.